Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to save a GIF from WhatsApp on your Android device. Whether you've stumbled upon a funny cat GIF or a memorable moment with friends, saving it is a breeze. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. If you're like most of us, you probably use this app every day to stay connected with friends and family. So don't worry, navigating through it will be familiar. Next, locate and open the conversation that contains the GIF you want to save. This could be a chat with a friend or a group chat filled with funny content. Just tap on it to open the conversation. Now, once you're in the chat, scroll to find the GIF. Tap on the GIF to open it fully. This will allow you to view it in all its animated glory. After the GIF is open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots in a vertical line. Tap on those dots. This will open a small menu with additional options. Finally, in this menu, simply tap on Save, and voila! Your GIF is now saved to your device's gallery, ready for you to share or enjoy anytime you like. And there you have it. Saving a GIF from WhatsApp is that simple. Just remember these easy steps, and you'll always have access to your favorite animated moments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.